Marten and Teune ranks among northern Germany's leading agricultural contractors. In this video series, we follow the company's latest developments and offer a behind-the-scenes look at its operations. The Poserin site serves as the focus of Part 4, highlighting the importance of personnel management in agricultural contracting. We also showcase some impressive machinery and follow the potato harvest in action. Marten and Teune is a contracting company offering agricultural services and HGV logistics, operating from 2 sites. In addition to its main hub in Löhne, in northeastern North Rhine-Westphalia, the company has also been active with a site in Mecklenburg-Vorpommern since 2022. Green forage harvesting is a major focus of agricultural work around Poserin. To ensure the highest possible quality during forage harvesting, Marten and Teune relies on 2 belt mergers. Belt mergers offer key advantages when handling delicate forage crops such as alfalfa, thanks to their low-impact material handling via cross-conveyor belts. This significantly reduces leaf and plant material losses due to crumbling. It also helps reduce the amount of soil and stones in the forage. Marten and Teune selected Austrian manufacturer Reiter for their belt merger technology. One major benefit of this 9-meter wide system compared to a rotary rig is its ability to gather forage from a working width of up to 32 meters. This greatly enhances the efficiency of the subsequently employed harvest vehicles, an essential factor when yields are low. Since 2024, 2 loading wagons have also been stationed at the Poserin site. One of the main reasons for choosing a Schüttemacher wagon was its towed pickup, which helps mitigate intake issues caused by frequent wildlife damage in grassland areas. Another key benefit is the reduced risk of feed contamination. A 3rd multi-purpose loading wagon is currently undergoing testing and will later be integrated into the forage harvesting chain. The Poserin site offers everything a modern contracting business requires. Several of the former barracks halls have been converted into workshops, providing ample space for servicing and repairs, even on multiple large machines simultaneously. From workshop technicians and office staff to dispatchers and drivers, Marten and Teune's Poserin site employs 32 permanent employees. To attract new talent and retain its workforce, the company positions itself as an attractive employer by investing significantly in employee benefits. Alongside an hourly wage of up to €23, depending on role, qualifications and experience, employees also receive free supplementary private health insurance, free accident insurance and pension contributions. Additional perks include up to 30 days of paid holiday, e-bike leasing, fuel vouchers, and a range of performance-related bonuses. Valid and motivated staff are vital to any successful contracting business, which is why Marten and Teune offers flexible employment models tailored to the needs of both permanent staff and new applicants. The company has established clear structures and processes for onboarding, ensuring that new employees receive the support and training they need from day one. This includes dedicated programs for technicians employed by agricultural contractors and professional drivers. If you are interested in joining Marten and Teune, you can explore current opportunities on their careers page or reach out directly to the company. All relevant information is included below in the video description. Before diving into the impressive machinery operations in a joint project between the 2 sites featured in this video, we begin with a closer look at straw harvesting in Poserin. Marten and Teune uses 3 Krone Big Pack 1290 balers for this type of work, with an additional backup unit ready to step in to ensure uninterrupted operation. Square bales are transported using loaders and lorries. One of the main straw buyers is an organic mushroom producer who uses straw as a base for growing substrate. For this customer, Marten and Teune not only manages straw collection and logistic operations, but also spreads the substrate after the mushroom harvest. Organic farmers benefit from this circular system, which returns valuable nutrients to their soil. Established in 2009, the agricultural contracting business was the brainchild of friends Christoph Marten and Torben Teune. In the first 3 videos of this short film series, we've already provided a closer look at the company's history and full range of services. This powerful harvesting machine was put into operation for the first time in June 2025. There is no other forage harvester in Germany equipped with a combine harvester header of this size. Thanks to the dedication of Marten and Teune's employees and their collaboration with Agrarservice Marten and Raiffeisen, a flex draper header from Canadian manufacturer MacDon was successfully mounted on the forage harvester and used for whole crop silage harvesting. One of the main challenges was ensuring the even transfer of the harvested crops from the 12.5 meter wide header to the intake system of the harvester. To solve this, a custom adapter frame was built. The drive and transmission work together seamlessly, and the multi-coupler on the hydraulic connections work just as smoothly as on a John Deere combine harvester. This combination offers clear advantages: fewer passes, consistent stubble height, and a high forage volume delivered by the 970 metric horsepower harvester. With a working width twice that of conventional direct headers, speeds of up to 10 km per hour are achievable, an impressive figure. Roughly 800 hectares were harvested using this configuration in its first year of use. Meanwhile, Marten and Teune handles all aspects of potato cultivation from its main hub in Löhne. From fertilization and soil cultivation to potato planting, plant protection, harvesting and logistics, the contracting business has established a strong reputation across all areas. Part 4 focuses on the potato harvest. The season generally begins in late August. This year, 4 towed potato harvesters are in operation. About 60% of the harvest consists of industrial potatoes used for potato snacks. The agricultural contractor collaborates with a few very large clients, some of whom also provide support using their own vehicles. Agrarservice Marten Teune has deployed 4 Roper trailed potato harvesters for the 2025 season. Depending on weather conditions and customer demand, the machines may need to operate around the clock. Roller conveyor wagons ensure a continuous workflow, shuttling to keep the harvesters running and prevent empty runs. The tubers are then transported by HGV either directly to the processing plant or to storage facilities. Particular care must be taken when the crop is intended for storage to prevent damage and maintain quality. A loading station with a receiving hopper is used for this process, where soil is sifted out and returned to the field. Yields for industrial potatoes in the Marten and Teune operating area vary significantly, ranging from 50 to 90 tons per hectare. For nearly 3 years we've been following the team at Agrarservice Marten Teune. In that time, we've come to know a truly remarkable agricultural contracting company, one that has earned its success through dedication, perseverance, and entrepreneurial vision. If you would like to learn more about the business, visit their website or follow them on Instagram. All relevant links, including those to parts 1 through 3 of this video series, can be found in the video description.